Happy Friday, guys. How are you doing? Have you ever had a moment of the truth when sometimes you start doing something and you go powerful with your mission, with your idea, and then you have people who start telling you, oh, it's impossible to do. You need to spend 10 years to figure out how to become an agent, how to write the policies. Or maybe you had someone who says, oh, you stole my idea. I was teaching dispatch first in Chicagoland. Well, no names are gonna be named, but I went through that by myself and I'm going right now. I'm an instructor. I'm a teacher. I am an influencer and I'm a motivator. Listen to me, girls and boys. Don't ever let anybody tell you that you cannot do something. That's first. Second, don't ever let anybody say that it's gonna take 5, 10 years, 15 years. It all depends on you. Some people can become, for example, great dispatchers within 3 months. Some people can take 5 years and they will never be dispatchers. Some insurance agent can open the company and get it going within few years. Some can sit for 10 years and still have attitude like they are the only one. Guys, there is no competition. We have enough clients. We have enough products. We have different approach. And thanks God to media nowadays that people can connect to the real person. So if they like you, if they trust you, if you do what's best for them, you can do anything. You can sell anything. You can provide any services. Today is Friday. Let's stop bullying and let's start empowering. When you see somebody's posting, when you see somebody sharing, instead of putting them down, put the like, share, and be better. So my message for today, be better, be more intelligent, and always keep going. If I can do it, you can do it. If someone else can do it, you can do it. It's all in your hands. Doesn't matter how long you've been in this country, doesn't matter what background you have, doesn't matter what ideas you have. You are the winner. So become a winner. And nobody ever gonna stop you. Only miserable and insecure people will do that. So I feel bad for them, but it's okay. It's their route.